Hey guys, today's Friday, September the 8th, 2017. Here are your top announcements. First of all, I'm sorry I haven't done these in a while. I don't know why I haven't. I just forget. Because I usually do them at the end of the day, and I'm like, it's an easy thing to forget if that's the last thing that you have to do. So I'll try not to forget from now on. You should have received the September newsletter today. Please check that out. There's a ton of stuff in there, especially on the counseling front. And also, speaking of counseling, if everyone should be enrolled in the counselor course, please check the announcements in there. Miss Benson is giving you a ton of information that'll be really great for you. Everything from senior stuff to how to handle anxiety and so on. Great stuff. Are you looking at your grades and seeing how you're doing in each of your classes? The 4.5 week mark is almost upon us, which is sort of a measuring stick I start to use to see how people are doing in their classes. Your 9-week grades are, the first half of the semester, so that's, halfway through. So 4.5 is halfway through that, so it's a quarter of the way through. So look at your grades, see how you're doing. Are you happy with that? If not, what can you do to change it? And where can you get help if you need help? Well, first of all, your teachers, Miss Benson, our counselor, and me, your principal, all glad to help you be successful. One thing I noticed that some people are still having problems with, the majority of the conflicts I get between student and teachers revolve around students not following directions. And then they're like, hey, why didn't I get credit on that assignment? And the teacher's like, well, you didn't follow any of the directions that I gave you for the assignment. Oh. Well, I guess I'll go back and do it. Read the directions. When you get like a table from IKEA and you have to put it together, you read the directions. Some people don't. Like one time I put together a desk, and after I had gotten it all together, realized I didn't follow directions and it was all backwards and nobody could sit in it, so I had to disassemble it and reassemble it. Miss Whedon helped me do that. It was totally my fault. I was supposed to be reading the directions and I wasn't. So that's why you read the directions, so you know what you're doing, and make sure you do it right. Don't just assume you know. That's something that happens a lot. Stop doing that. Attendance looks pretty good this year. I'm really pleased with it so far. It's really just the same, few people over and over who are absent in classes, and I'm not trying to make fun of them. I'm just saying that it is. So I'm pretty happy with that. Keep it up. Keep up the good work. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and we will see you Monday. I'm going to challenge myself to do another announcements Monday.